Welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 54 with the FX Maverick Compact in 22. Alright, well, continuing where number 53 left off. I'm now facing into the sun here this bright and early morning, 10 a.m. Windless day. So it was a great day for shooting as well as for sniping. So these are all about 60-yard shots. Spot this guy up on the top, take him out as he tries to figure out if he's going to fly away. This guy lands. I'm like, I cannot believe I'm that lucky. And then he, of course, gets a little piece of lead in him as well. I'm like, am I going to have to follow up with this guy, take another shot? Quite possibly. And yep, take him out with the second shot. So, and as we all know, if we shoot these, that sometimes can happen. A lot of them sitting up there looking so pretty. So I go ahead and line up on this guy and take him out. And he goes underneath. When I go back out to the barn, that is where he ended up. He's got fencing across there, like chicken fence. So he was just laying up at the top. Spot this guy, go ahead and take him out after I took out the other one. Down he falls. Go back up, there's another one. Checking to see if there's any other ones along there. Go ahead and line up on him, take him out. To the garage door he lands. That door's got so many dead bodies on it, it's ridiculous. Spot this guy, take him out. He actually makes it down. It's about halfway back to me. Go ahead and take that one out. He's on the nest. Spot these two guys up on the rafters. Line up on him. Nope. Fooled you. Line up on him. And drop him. Got the three amigos here. Line up on this guy. Just stop him. I mean, he's just there. That was a great shot. And his buddy comes back. Howard, are you okay? Howard, come on, get up, bud. We gotta go. Yeah. Well, turns out I wasn't able to get a shot off on him. So, go ahead and take this guy out. And I spot this guy. Walk outside and there's a bunch of them up on top of the roof. So I go ahead up and line up on these guys. This is like a 60-yard shot. And I'm able to get one. And he goes skating off. And there's this cutout area in that section right there, and that just goes down to where the cows are. And this guy does the same thing. Bloop. He's sitting so pretty. He did not fly away yet, so I'm like, well, you're not going to fly away. I'm going to go ahead and try to take you. Miss? That wire netting is so deceiving. Miss, and finally hit him. But he got the hint a little bit too late. But it's amazing at how much that wire netting can make it stop. And as you see, the PARD catches the fact that this guy is dropping blood. It's just amazing. But yeah, that netting is just so deceiving. I think the pellet's going to go through it, and it gets deflected, and as you just saw, he doesn't even know he's being shot at. So I never quite know when I shoot through the netting whether or not I'm going to get through to him or not. And I keep calling it netting when really it's chicken coop fencing, so it's wire fencing. Spot that guy, go ahead and take him out. Drop that guy. I know, it's like, what's taking so long? Why don't you shoot? Well, I just want to make sure I was all right. This guy comes back, lands, and ninja bird. Just as I pull that trigger, he's gone. These two are sitting up there so nicely. I'm shooting from inside the barn with the girls, so I'm in their area. And I'm like, I'm going to sneak up on these guys, so that's a nice shot. This guy lands a little bit further away, and I'm like, okay. Oh! Took too long. So this one's sitting there so pretty. Go ahead and line up on him. Completely missed. Have no idea why. Just, I don't understand. Go to the right a little, or I'm sorry, to the left a little, and I'm able to go ahead and get him. So he eventually just succumbs to his poisoning. He'll just drop his head. Of course, after the second shot, that always helps. And then he just rolled over, but it took forever, so I'm like, yeah, forget it. I'm not going to show you guys. Just let it go. Go ahead and spot that guy, take him out. Jumping all around. Yikes. Spot that guy. The camouflage pretty good in there. Gotta really look. But I was able to see him and dropped him. Another one for the door, the roof, door, whatever. Spot this guy, go ahead and take him out. And another collection for the door. Thinking he's going to come out, he doesn't. Waiting for somebody to stop moving here so I can get a decent shot. And I do. You can see everything is not okay with him, and he crashes and burns. Ugh, as he rolls over and collapses. Back up to the same spot. Spot this guy. Go ahead and take him out. And again, I'm using the H&N Hunters, and right around 800, 810 feet per second. Seems to do good at that speed, so I'm happy it doesn't go through everything. And that's like probably the 10th bird up on top of those doors. Go ahead and take that one out. He lands on the other door. Got 4 of them to choose from. Go ahead and choose this guy. Drop him. The other ones all go streaking away. Spot. He stayed there, so I got him. Add another one to the collection for the doors. And this is the last shot of the video. I thought that other one that was flying away was him, but it wasn't. So then this guy gets up and he starts jumping around. Like, just will not stop jumping, walk, jump, walk. So then I finally get another shot in him right here. And that's basically able to take him out. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave any comments below.